Hey, what's up guys, it's Lucky Luke 22 and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Elgato onto your PlayStation VR. As well, you're going to have a PlayStation VR box, and as well, besides that, you're going to have 3 HDMI ports as well. You're going to need a PlayStation VR headset. As well, you need a camera and also an HD 60s or an older version. First of all, you plug in your USB adapter into your PS4 into your box as well. Once you've done that, plug in your HDMI PS4 into your box and your PlayStation. Plug in your HDMI TV on the input of the Elgato device. Now plug in your output HDMI into your TV, so this one outputs into your TV. Plug in your power cable into your VR box, and I know that it sucks, but you know. And as well, you're gonna have to as well grab your camera, because if you do not, it will not work. So grab your camera and plug it into your PlayStation as well. Now all you have to do is plug in your PSVR into your box and you're really good to go. And once you've done that, just plug in your 3.0 cable into your PC and you're good to go, really. Hello, we are back, and I came on this to demonstrate you more about what to do. Why have you got 2 black lines? Because I know you probably will be asking me, why am I getting these 2 black lines right here? And I will demonstrate you how to get rid of that. You probably am having issues on that either way. Let me just demonstrate you on this game. Let me just put on my headsets to show you. Okay, now you see, now you've got 2 black lines right there. See these 2 black lines? You go into settings, alright, and then you go into PlayStation VR and see, it's gone now, as you can see. And then you should press OK and see, there we go, you've got yourself a perfect gameplay. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, in the description down below, there'll be my Twitter and my Facebook page, also my website. Go ahead and check that out. And also, don't forget to check out my other videos, my Last of Us Part 4 gameplay, and as well share it, and so we can get this all around. And that's it really. I'll see you later.